click on it. Okay, always copy paste. That will help you to save time and avoid error. No, at line number 57, there is a result to 1, right? Put that result to 1. Hey, we are printing the value of a result to 1, Soumya. So, yes, good. Make it faster. Curly brace. Close it, double quotes, parenthesis, close it. So, Soumya, next time you should be pretty faster. Yeah, save it, all of you. Yeah, save it, execute it. So now we are going to check, hey, is it really in the config mode or not? Obviously, it will not be. Why? We have taken it to disable mode. So obviously, it will not be. So what is the output? Can you please highlight that? Result 1 is, can you please highlight that? Result 1 is false, right? Why? Because it is not in the config mode. Purposefully, we have taken it down to taken down to disable mode. So this is command number 4. Okay, I want to configure then. How am I supposed to do? Go back to your Notepad++. Go back to your Notepad++, right? Now what you do, before line number 59, yeah, say command underscore 1 equal to cmd underscore 1 equal to space bar. Before and after, always there should be a space. Equal to space, double quotes, say conf space t. No, maybe interface. No, not this. Int interface. Int space. This is fast, right? F0/1. 0/1. Close the double quotes. Enter. Command 2. We can say description equal to configured via NetMiko. Double quotes, configured via NetMiko. So we are going to configure description. No. After description. Description is the command. Description. DESCRIPTION space. Now say NetMiko. Give some word. Now we are going to configure it on that. Close the double quotes. So now how to send it? Enter. Right? How are we going to send it? So now you say send underscore config underscore set connection spelling mistake. Always copy paste. Connection is there, right? Connection dot send underscore config underscore set. Send underscore config underscore set. So in bracket parenthesis, put a square parenthesis. No. Normal parenthesis. No, normal parenthesis and then square parenthesis, because now we are going to give a list of commands. Square parenthesis, say cmd underscore 1, comma cmd underscore 2. So guys, remember that when you send a command, you will use a command called send underscore command. Close the parenthesis. Yeah. When you want to configure something, normally it is expected to be a list. So we have command 1, command 2, right? Yeah. Now save this program. Go to your router first. Go to your router first. Go to your router. Right. Great. Put a show run interface F0/1. Show run one show part. You have put two shows. Show run interface int. Yeah. No, you can give int. F0/1. Show 0/1. Enter. Now this is what we see on the running configuration of fast Ethernet 0/1. Now we are going to configure. Go back to your VM, execute the program. Move that program. Using WinSCP, you don't need to move. Okay, execute this code. Soumya. Execute this program, Soumya. Yeah, execute that. What is it telling? Well, you failed to enter configuration mode. Okay, not a problem. Now go back to, I will tell you why. Go back to your code. So guys, remember that when the router prompt is not in enable mode, you cannot get into configuration mode. So that's the reason at line number 53, we have come out of that enable mode. So it's not working. Put a comment there. 53, comment it out. Now re-execute the code. Re-execute the code. Executed. Can you please execute the code? Yeah. Right now it is configuring. Done. Now go to the router, put the show run command, use the up arrow, show run interface, fast Ethernet 0/1. Enter. Do you see that description? Can you please highlight that? So guys, now what did we learn now? If we want to configure, then there is a power cut, guys. Just wait for a second. So if you want to configure, then what is the command? Send config _ set. Okay. Right. Can you all try it now? Can you all try it? All the other guys? So now go to your Notepad++, name it accordingly. Go to your Notepad++. So what is the command number? Yeah. So before line number 61. Yeah, before line number 6. When I say before, you should press enter. And then put a hash symbol. This is command 5. No, CMD. Use the same terminology. CMD 5. To configure under configuration mode. Right. Okay. Fine. So now, we learned as to how to give a show command, all those things. Right now, can I take a bunch of commands from a file, from a config file? So go to your Notepad++. Go to your Notepad++. Open a new. Soumya. Click new. Yeah. Put it double quotes. Yeah, double quotes. In between, you give a command. So in this, you give a command. No, you give a command. Interface, the same command, whatever we gave. INT space. You don't need to give full interface. INT is fine. INT space F0/1. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Go to the next command. Enter. No, pa. Enter. No. Put the double quotes there itself. After that, you put a enter. Yes, double quotes. Say description. Say file 1. Something of the sort. Double quotes. Save. Control is save it. So say file 1.txt. File 1.txt. Now you move this file 1 also to that VM. Okay, file 1.txt is stored right now. On your code, you should say send config from file. Go to your Notepad++ code. Go to your program actually. Yeah. So now off. Hey guys, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you guys are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Please unmute yours.
Yes, sir.
Right? Yeah. So now send underscore config underscore from underscore file. So guys, what we are trying to do now is that we are learning the commands one by one, where we have learned how to configure it. No, do not. So Soumya, before line number 64 or before line number 63, enter, add a newer command, connection dot send config from a file underscore with underscore. Send underscore config underscore file underscore. Send config from file. It is there, right? It is coming, right? Double click on that. In bracket, you need to give the file name, whatever it is, like file 1.txt. That should be within the double quotes. Send config from file. Close the double quotes. Yeah. So make sure that in the same directory, the file 1.txt is there. Now move the modified program as well as that file 1.txt should be put into that VM folder, same folder. Now execute that. So guys, now we can give bunch of commands inside what is that? A file. Yeah, move that. Yeah, I think you have not shared your WinSCP. Not sure. Are you not sharing your screen? I think you are sharing some application only, it looks like.
Sir, just I pulled the WinSCP here, sir.
It's okay, but whenever you share, you need to share the entire screen.
Okay. No, actually, I'm
Yes.
using one desktop screen, so I pulled it.
Okay. Yeah. Keep it simple. Why are you making it so
My
complex?
laptop screen is so small, sir.
Okay, not a problem. Not a problem.
Sir, when I'm coming to the VMware, sometimes, like most of the times, it's not working, sir. Like multiple times